Ready for a Thai takeover?
Hey, how you doing? Sawasdee Krap.
Sawasdee Khai.
Great to see you.
So good to see you.
Come on in. Like, I can't wait to see what you have in store. Come on in. Let's go.
Hey.
All right. Here we are. Welcome to the kitchen.
Oh, it's so awesome. Okay, I'm so excited. I'm assuming this is your fridge?
That's the fridge.
Let's do it.
I will tell you, we have an 18-year-old son and a 13-year-old daughter, so we keep our
fully stocked. I
always.
love it. Ooh, we got veggie stock. Okay, tell me a little bit about what are your favorite things to eat?
Well, I'm a meat and potatoes kind of guy,
Okay.
as is my stepson. My wife loves tom kha soup.
Okay.
She's gluten-free, by the way, so...
We can make that happen.
Okay, all right.
I'm excited. I'm ready for that challenge.
And I like spicy, she doesn't, so...
We will take on that challenge as
yeah.
well. We need chilies, and then I'm gonna, scallops. We are gonna scallop it today. I love how all your veggies are in one spot. Definitely always we use cilantro, and then even mint. Like, you just herbed it up for me, didn't you?
Well, the problem is if you fall into a store like H Mart, you kind of go down the rabbit hole of ingredients.
So
It's like Wally World for food.
You're like, I want it all. And also eggs. I'm gonna do a Thai egg omelette, which is a Khai Jiao. Did you ever have that?
That does not sound familiar.
This is gonna be really fun because as I cook, I want you to just tell me if it brings back any memories.
Okay, that'll be awesome. Sounds
okay.
great.
Sorry, I feel like I need to start with this now.
Thai toast.
Thai toast.
What's the Thai word?
Chai yo.
Chayo.
Chayo. Okay, Lee, I am
Delicious.
so honored to be
Geng
here.
mag.
เก่งมากค่ะ
Let's speak a little Thai.
He just told himself that he's really good.
Yes.
That is really awesome.
I was trying to bend the phrase and say that's really good, but I'll take self-validation any day. Don't stab yourself.
I will try not to, but I'm like really curious why you need to have two if I only have one.
Because my brute strength sometimes breaks the blade, and then I need to back up.
I'm gonna have too much fun, Lee. I'm so excited to be here. We're gonna make a nam jim seafood. Nam jim is a dipping sauce.
Okay.
Seafood is
Seafood. When I look, I see food.
Yes,
very
with
simple.
the SEA.
Oh, got it.
Okay,
SEA.
since we're doing scallops, we're going to do a seafood sauce.
Okay.
And we're gonna need a blender for that, and then we're gonna serve that with jasmine rice. Do you have
Okay.
a rice cooker by any chance?
Babe, where's our rice cooker?
Over your shoulder, dummy.
Oh, okay, up here. She's speaking to me in our love language,
I
by the way.
love that. And then have you used this rice cooker before, sir?
I have not, but my wife is on standby, and she probably helped me with these directions.
Guess what? I'm gonna help you out today.
Okay.
But I love how everything is super organized here. And I open it, and there's like a measuring spoon.
It's my wife's doing.
She's so good.
She's got it geared for cooking.
Yes, that's half cup. This is 1 cup. We're gonna rinse up this rice, and we'll put it in the rice cooker. Rice is cooking.
Excellent.
We're gonna make our sauce now.
Okay.
Okay, do you like garlic?
Yes.
Perfect. I've known Lee for 15 years at least.
Yes, at least 15, because my daughter's 13, and started bringing her into the restaurant when she was an infant.
I know.
And you guys showered her with love.
Yes.
That's why I've always had a warm place in my heart for your Asian mint.
I love her. How do you normally peel garlic?
I watch my wife do it. I don't know.
Oh.
But I thought, don't we just do kind of a mashing motion?
Mashing.
Yes.
You go.
Like that?
Yes? Yes. Oh, you did a way better job than I
Okay,
did.
and then we just get the crumblies off, or take the outer
Yes,
skin?
we'll take the outer skin off.
There we go. Now, do I give it another mash or no?
No, you're good, because we're gonna throw it all in the food processor.
I love the smell of fresh garlic, though.
And we're going to, I found these peppers, serrano. Just gonna chop them just a bit.
How do the peppers impact like the spiciness of the food in terms of, so I mentioned to you, my wife doesn't like spicy, but I do. So how do you decide how much to put in, and then
We'll
at what
put
point?
just a little then.
Yeah.
And we can always water
Add
it down
more.
later.
Okay.
Or add more later.
Yeah.
Either way, if it's
Yep.
too spicy, we'll add more lime juice. If it's not spicy enough, we add more chili. And then using all parts of cilantro, all the good smelly stuff. A little bit of gluten-free soy sauce as our salt component.
Okay.
And then lime juice.
Okay, that's me.
That is you too.
Lime, you want all of these juiced into the?
I do want.
Okay.
But we're just gonna start with one and we can add.
Oh, I got you. This isn't my first rodeo. You do have a tourniquet available, don't you, just in case?
I do not.
Oh.
Oh, it looks so pretty. This is gonna be like a green.
Almost lost an eye just then. It was horrible.
Did you have a special lime machine that you wanted
Yes,
to
I did.
do?
I had a lime juicer, but you insisted we do authentic Thai cooking.
Thai. We need
This is
all the hand
This
juice.
is northern Thai cooking, right? Using the hands,
Yes.
not the juicer.
Absolutely. We do not have juicers in Thailand.
It was no. All right, here we go.
Oh, I think we did good. Put it all.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Thought I was about to mess it up.
You are not gonna mess any of this situation up. So we did
Got the
3
garlic off,
limes,
too.
garlic, and then I'm going to blend. This is the sauce.
If you're prepping and then
Yes.
you have some of that left over, does that keep for a little bit, or is it best used the day of?
You can keep it, I would say, between 3 and 5 days.
Okay.
So this is done.
Okay.
We're gonna prep some eggs. I'm gonna have you dice up some of these beautiful tomatoes.
Awesome.
I will dice up this
So dumb
shallot.
question, but how
got it.
diced do you want them? Like, do you want them quartered or like very chop, chop, chop,
You
chop,
can
chop? Because then you
probably
lose all the juice.
Quarter.
Quarter? Okay.
Yes.
Just want to show the folks at home, that's how you properly quarter a little tomato.
Well, that's gonna go into our Khai Jiao.
Khai
The Thai omelet.
Okay.
And then I am going to add this beautiful spice from the shallots, which is not really spicy, but it has also a sweet note. So I have like a savory sweet flavor. What else do you normally eat in your American omelet?
Well, bacon or sausage of some kind. I'm a meat and potatoes guy, remember?
Yes, that's right. And let's crack some eggs.
Okay.
You wanna do that?
Sure. How many
Do
you
it
want?
all of them.
Okay.
Nice.
See, it's not my first rodeo
You
here.
are not.
The key is you don't want any eggshells in there.
Very true.
No one likes a piece of eggshell in their omelet.
I would have to agree with you. And only because we have more cilantro here, I'm gonna put cilantro stems in it. Anybody here not like cilantros?
I think we're okay.
It smells so good.
Yes, it does.
Okay, perfect. Scramble your eggs up.
Okay. Those
More,
those
more.
are atomic eggs.
I needed you to go triple
triple
fast,
speed? Oh.
triple speed.
Okay.
I need some volume.
Oh, okay. Oh, got it. You didn't tell
Yes.
me you wanted voluminous eggs.
I need voluminous
You got to be
eggs.
specific with the instructions.
I'm gonna add some sauce.
Okay.
You ready for this?
Yes.
All the goodness. Then we're gonna fry it up as we also need to grill our scallops. We're almost done. By the time we're done, the rice is gonna be done.
Yeah, I love it.
Ready?
Yes. Should we do a Thai toast that make it through the first phase? I
Yes,
didn't cut
we
my
did.
finger off.
We did not.
Okay, thank
We're
you.
now
Thanks for
have
your
our
coaching.
hotline ready to roll. Okay, Lee,
So
you're good to be in charge of searing the scallops.
They look delicious too, don't
They
they?
do look amazing. I do want to add flavor to it. Can you add a little bit of this in there?
Sure. What do we
This is
got?
gluten-free.
Yes, my
Safe
wife
for
will
your
love
whole
that.
household. Yes.
Gluten-free stir fry sauce from Chef Nikky, by the way. Available in stores now.
At all
Okay.
Asian Mint locations at chefnikki.com.
So how much? I don't want to overdo it.
If you were gonna marinate something, how much would you put in?
Well, probably I'd fill it up just a little bit, and then I'd stir it up.
Perfect.
Okay.
Oh, that's plenty.
Yeah, because we're gonna offload them into the frying pan anyway.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Love it. Now that we have a hot pan, we're gonna have a nice sear.
And I just want to make sure these are all well marinated, right?
It looks beautiful.
Okay.
I'm gonna add the rest of my oil because while you do that, I'm gonna do the Thai omelet since we
Ooh.
have everything prepped.
Wow, this pan heats up quickly.
It does.
Just load them in. Are we good? Oh,
Side.
we get a little pop here.
Please do be careful. Ooh, it's gonna be good.
So probably about a minute or two on each side, and
Yep.
then you don't want them overcooked.
True. I knew you were a pro at this.
I'm not a pro at everything, but I know just enough to be dangerous. That's why I leave it to my wife to do most of the cooking. She's an expert in the kitchen.
So we almost
there you go. You want that nice golden brown finish.
So we have some sugar in that sauce that's creating that caramelization. And I am now gonna add in the egg that you did for me.
Oh, wow.
Look how puffy that is. Doesn't that look like Thailand?
Starting to smell delicious.
So what I'm doing is I'm just moving the egg. Sometimes you have to create a hole, but not always, to get that fluffy layer in. Creating a little hole in the middle, letting it come through.
Oh, okay. I
See?
see what you're doing there.
We need a plate with some paper towels on it.
Okay.
So we did put a lot of oil to create that puffiness. Look how puffy that is.
That is good.
It will deflate a little bit.
Probably because of the expertise of the person that whipped up the eggs before you used them.
Absolutely. Kudos to that person.
Yes.
Got a nice brownness underneath. And then we're like, how are we gonna do this?
So you can lift it from lift it from either side. Come in like that. There you go. And then get all the way underneath and go.
Woohoo!
Okay.
Love it. I'm gonna let that hang out. Look at that beautiful fried egg. Some scallops, the sauce,
Look.
some sauce, more sauce. Then we're ready to serve up all of this once
Okay.
the rice is done.
Awesome. I think my wife is ready to eat some of
I
it.
think so too.
She's been smelling it for all this time we've been
She's
cooking.
probably so excited it's all gluten-free.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So now I'm so excited to taste.
I'm very excited.
And we're gonna also have a special guest come and join us.
Yes, my wife Jill.
Come on, Jill.
And then I would like to mention off camera her son Tristan
Yes.
is also joining
Waiting.
us. He is waiting for this
Patiently.
amazing food.
The rice is cooked. There we go. And then if you want to just dig in.
Here's to Chef Nikky and the Thai Takeover. Mission accomplished. Thank you.
Mission accomplished. Thank you. So a little bit of Khai Jiao, which is Thai egg or egg omelette. And I know you're gluten-free, so out of the 6 sauces that we have, 4 of them are gluten-free.
Oh, great.
Would you like to serve some scallops, sir?
Sure.
I'm gonna put you to work again still. This is literally how we would eat in Thailand. If Lee ate everything in Thailand while he was there, he would enjoy family style where there was multiple dishes. There's normally a soup or a curry. A lot of times there'll always be a fried egg, the Khai Jiao, because it is kid friendly, adults love it. It's one of those comforting dishes. And this is the sauce that we made. That's how it's gonna go down.
Okay. Oh,
Pretty
okay, that is
good?
good.
Very good.
And then
Very
that egg, absolutely amazing.
Thank you so much for having me.
I'll just leave that there.
As a gift.
What?
For having me in your house.
Oh, you did not need to
You
do
get
that,
to
but
keep all of these
Thank you so much.
sauces.
That's amazing.
Thank you for watching. I hope you laughed as much as I have on this episode. I've been having so much fun, Lee. You're so fun. For all my YouTubers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and actually let me know if you would fry an egg like this and what would you put in it. Thank you so much and ขอบคุณค่ะ
Thank you. Appreciate it.